Morning and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be helping you to add course in Memerise, and Memerise is very effective digital flashcard, and you can install Memerise in your mobile or you can use in the browser. So this video will be helping you to add the course in your Memerise. First of all, you must sign off account in Memerise. Okay, in the previous video I had told you how to sign up for Memerise, and in this video I'll be helping you to add the course in Memerise. So our course name is Biblical Hebrew Introductory Grammar. Okay, and grammar, in the search box you have to type Memerise and enter it. Once you do that one, you will have a course here, www.memerise.com, and Biblical Hebrew Vocabulary. Okay, just click on that. Now you can see you have to log into your account. Okay, I have already logged in my account, and you can see Biblical Hebrew Vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary from Biblical Hebrew and Introductory Grammar by Kelley. So if you want to add this course in your mobile, in your Memerise account, you just have to click Get Started. Okay, once you are done that one, now it has started. You can see, okay, Ab means father and sister. So how do you use this one? Like, it will give suggestion. Now for the first time, father and sister is Ab. Next, brother is At. Okay, At. Next, then Ab is, we have to choose now, it is father. Next, At, brother. Next, now is Athat, Atho. Okay, this is Athot. Next, is, okay, man. Then sister, Athot, isn't it, this one? Then is, man is is. Next, then we have to type here, Ab means father. Okay, Father, comma, and sister, N. Okay, sister. Okay, my spelling could be wrong. Okay, once we are done, then say check, it is right. Isa, woman, Isa. Next, then At, it is brother, BROTHER, brother. Woman, Isa, Isa. Okay, next, then is man. Next, Athot is sister. Okay, Isa is woman. Okay, next, then Athot, it is sister, Okay, I'm going through so that you may be able to do this one. Okay, it is not that hard, and this will help you to memorize at the same time practice also. And I have been using this one for other classes also, so this will really help. Is man. Okay, so session completed already. Okay, I have learned thus far 1 2 3 4 5 vocabularies, so this will give us progress also. Once you are done, if you want to learn next time, then just click here, and in the course list it will come here in your dashboard. Okay, Biblical Hebrew Grammar. Okay, I have Elementary of New Testament. Okay, this Basic of Biblical Greek with these are the courses that I had done, I had learned before. So this video, this course will help us to be prepared for Biblical Hebrew by Kelley. So if you have any confusion, you can leave the comment in the in my YouTube channel. Okay, I can help you, and please create this account. This is really good. Memerise is really good and effective flashcard, electronic flashcard, so you can install in the mobile or in laptop or in the tablet. So thank you very much for watching.